Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Klein Tools brand new rechargeable thermal imager. And what we're seeing right here is a glass of hot water. So you see right in the middle right here there's a crosshair, and that is telling you the temperature right up here. Now I went outside the glass for a second, and you see the crosshairs outside the glass. It dropped down to 78 degrees. You turn it this way and you put the crosshair on the red area, and it says 111 degrees. The green area, it's 105 degrees. You put it right on the white area and we got 126. So it's gonna vary where you put your crosshairs, and we got two more temperature readings right here. 124.3, that's your highest one on the image right now. It's right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little box area right there. 100, that's 122 degrees. And the lowest area is right out here. That's 82.7. So there's your thermal image of the glass of hot water, and that is how you get the three different temperatures shown on the screen, and how it can vary as you turn it. You see this temperature rising as I get it closer to the whitish area. And you can see right here, the battery is about 80% right now. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to take a photograph. And this right here is your shutter button. So I'll get the glass in the picture. Okay, and then I'll say save. All right. Okay, so now let's bring up the picture. I'm going to short press this button right here. It says menu select. Short press it. And these are all different functions here. This one right here, for instance, I'll just go ahead and show you this one right now. Okay, that's Celsius and Fahrenheit. And you would press this button right here to go back and forth. I'm going to select Fahrenheit. Okay, it takes like a medium long press to get it out of that function. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here to the photographs. These are your still thermal images. And I took one of the glass of water. So I'm going to press this button right here okay, right there. Okay, so here's the image right here. And at the moment I took this image, the main crosshair was on the kind of the yellowish green area, and it was 111.9. And the hottest area in the thermal image was 121.1. The coolest area was 77.9. And this is photograph 3 of 3. And this photograph is kept on a mini SD card. Okay, so you take this off and spin it like that, and your mini SD card goes right here. And that's your charging port right there. Included with the thermal imager is this cord, and you plug that in there, and you plug this into a USB port, and you can charge the device with this cord. So this is for the crosshairs. You can leave this crosshair on and take off these little ones. There's little ones that are moving around that show you the high and low spots. So you can take those off. And then here's the next one. Okay, this right here selects your color palette. Okay, so here's the color palettes. This is the one I have it on right now. And the hottest color is white, and then red, and then yellow. On this color palette, if I were to choose that, the hottest color is whitish yellow, then red. And this color palette is white, then gray, then black. So you can go up and down with this arrow key and pick your color palette. Okay, so the next one is the one we just used, and that's for your thermal image photographs. Okay, then you go over here to settings. So you can set all these parameters. The temperature bar, you saw the temperature bar on the screen earlier. If that's in your way, you can take it off. And then time of day, that's self-explanatory.
The next setting is emissivity. The emissivity of the surface of a material is its effectiveness in emitting energy as thermal radiation.
It can give you a clearer picture if you turn this down. But if you don't need it, leave it on because it'll give you more information. Then we got auto power on and off. So I got set at 10 minutes. You can set it at 5 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, and then you can set brightness and you can set the high-low alert. So I have high set for 752 degrees, and that's the highest that this unit goes. And on the low scale, it'll go to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have it set at 14 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll get an alarm alert if it gets beyond 752 degrees or below 14 degrees Fahrenheit.
You can also get a printout with your thermal image. The printout gives you all of this information.
Here we have a window, and I'm going to take a thermal image of this window to find out how we're doing as far as insulation. If you can see, it's 102 degrees of that window. If I turn it this way a little bit, you see the crosshair goes right into the hottest area, and it's 114 degrees. I go over, watch the crosshair, I go over to the other side of the window, it's only 104 degrees. And if I turn it like this, and go down to the green area of the window, why, that's only 97 degrees. So we have quite a differential going on in different parts of this window. This area over here was 101.8 degrees right there.
The hottest area in the thermal image is 116.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and the coolest area in the image is 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
So that's a large variation between 116.9 and 80 degrees on one window. Whew! Here I have the thermal imager set on the cord that goes to my microwave. The microwave just went off, and you see I've got the crosshairs right on the plug. The plug's staying good. It's 88.7, 88.8 degrees. Here's the thermal image that I took of the cord that goes from the microwave to the outlet. And I ran it for about 4 minutes, I believe. And here the cord right here, that was the hottest part because you see that was in yellow. It never got to the red or the white, but it did get to the yellow, which was a 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit right here. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with thermal imager. You can find hot spots, spots that are dangerous, spots that you really need to work on.
Here's a thermal image that Klein Tools was able to take of a spine. The hottest areas are the white areas, and then the red, and then the yellow. It currently costs about $250, and it comes with a nice carrying case. I feel that this compact thermal imager is an excellent diagnostic tester, giving excellent resolution and features, ease of use, and an excellent price point for a thermal imager. I'll put a link in my video description for the Klein thermal imager, and I'll put links for other new tools from Klein, such as the new Klein cable stapler, the new Klein high torque impact driver, and the new Klein impact wrench. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.